Ever wondered how your online orders reach you from across the globe? It's a fascinating journey, and cargo airlines play a crucial role in this global supply chain. Let's take a deep dive into the world of cargo airlines, those impressive freight-only airlines that specialize in transporting goods rather than passengers. First on the agenda is the fleet composition. The backbone of any cargo airline is its fleet of aircraft. These aren't your usual passenger planes. They are specialized cargo aircraft like the Boeing 747 freighter, Boeing 777 freighter, and Airbus A330 freighter. These machines are designed or modified to carry cargo efficiently, with large cargo doors and main decks optimized for freight loading and unloading. Next, we move on to network and routes. Cargo airlines establish routes based on demand for freight transportation. High-demand routes for specific types of cargo like perishables, e-commerce goods, pharmaceuticals, or oversized cargo are prioritized. These airlines often operate scheduled flights between major cargo hubs or offer charter services for more flexible transportation options. The third segment revolves around partnerships and alliances. Cargo airlines often form alliances with other airlines, freight forwarders, logistics companies, and e-commerce platforms to expand their reach. These partnerships involve code-sharing agreements, interline agreements, or joint ventures to leverage each other's networks and resources. Now, let's talk about revenue streams. The primary revenue stream for cargo airlines is derived from transporting freight. They charge customers based on factors such as weight, volume, distance, urgency, and type of cargo. Cargo airlines also generate revenue from ancillary services like warehousing, ground handling, customs clearance, and logistics solutions. The segment on utilization of capacity shows how cargo airlines aim to maximize their aircraft and cargo space. They offer various types of cargo services, including express freight, standard freight, special cargo like perishables or dangerous goods, and charter services to optimize load factors on each flight. In the technology and efficiency segment, we learn that cargo airlines invest heavily in technology and operational efficiency. They adopt advanced cargo handling systems, use data analytics for route optimization and demand forecasting, implement electronic booking and tracking systems, and employ fuel-efficient aircraft and flight planning techniques. Finally, regulatory compliance is a critical aspect of the cargo airline industry. Cargo airlines must adhere to various regulatory requirements related to aviation safety, security, customs, and environmental standards. To give you a picture, let's look at some examples. UPS Airlines operates one of the largest cargo airlines globally, with a fleet of over 250 aircraft. DHL Aviation, the air cargo division of Deutsche Post DHL Group, operates a similar-sized fleet. Then there's Cargolux, a Luxembourg-based cargo airline operating a fleet of Boeing 747 freighters. In summary, cargo airlines play a pivotal role in the global supply chain, transporting goods efficiently and swiftly across the globe. Their specialized fleet, strategic network, and partnerships, diverse revenue streams, and focus on capacity utilization, technology, and regulatory compliance all contribute to their crucial role in the global economy. They truly are the unsung heroes of global trade.